Welcome to Green Technology. Today you'll see powerful forestry machines, giant stump removal, and smart land clearing technology in action. Subscribe for more incredible forestry equipment, biomass machines, and green technology solutions. Total stump destruction starts here. Watch this Kobelco excavator rip massive stumps straight out of the ground while a skilled chainsaw operator prepares the cut with precision. Power, timing, and teamwork come together in one clean land clearing operation. This is how professionals clear ground fast. Like and subscribe for more heavy equipment domination. Crushing stumps like a machine built for war. The CBI Stump Shear SS20 tears through the toughest root systems with brutal force. Built for excavators from 55,000 to 100,000 pounds, its hydraulic piston power splits, grabs, and loads heavy stumps with speed and control. Faster clearing, cleaner handling, and serious forestry performance. This is extreme stump removal technology in action. Watch trees disappear in seconds. The Woodcracker CS610 is a compact cutting beast with 360-degree rotation, a powerful saw unit, and smart chain control designed to reduce downtime. Light enough for tight urban jobs and tough enough for storm cleanup, this excavator attachment turns precision cutting into raw clearing power.
Absolute cutting power.
This ripper may not look flashy, but it does the dirty work better than most attachments. Paired with the raw strength of the Kobelco SK160, it becomes a serious excavation tool built for accuracy, grip, and efficient root removal. Simple design, direct force, and clean results. The Jack 400 tree shear is not just made to cut trees. It changes the way land management gets done. Its dual ram system delivers steady pressure, while the Hardox blade makes clean, controlled cuts. For site clearing, small forest management, and fast vegetation removal, this attachment brings speed and efficiency into one compact tool. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Getting that final root loose and watching the stump roll free is pure satisfaction. Leaving part of the trunk for leverage makes the job easier. But let's be honest, the easiest way is still watching someone else do it. Anyone who has fought stubborn roots knows this is harder than it looks. Starting the year with serious land clearing, the Kobelco SK180LC11 handles forest fence removal like it was built for nothing else. With long reach, smooth control, and heavy hydraulic power, it takes on stubborn material with confidence. Add the VTN MD 180 grapple, and the setup becomes a two-part demolition team built for grip, pull, and control. The Barco Predator HT1684, paired with a Doosan 255LC solar and a hydraulic stump splitter, turns dense stump processing into efficient biomass production. This setup handles heavy wood with minimal operator input and maximum hourly output. Less waste, more usable material, and a cleaner workflow for modern forestry. You do not walk up to an 8-foot cedar with anything less than full respect. A 3/6-inch bar matched with a 90cc saw is serious cutting firepower. Every pass matters. Cleaner cuts mean less fiber loss, faster processing, and more value from every log. Real professionals do not waste timber. This is teamwork at its best. The Praga 53 SS delivers brute pulling force, while the ZIL 131 winch anchors the recovery with precision. Together, they pull a rooted giant out of the earth with controlled power. No guesswork, just force, timing, and coordination. No bells, no tricks, no nonsense. Just a reliable stump grinder that starts when needed and keeps cutting until the job is done. For operators who want dependable equipment that rolls out of the shed and gets straight to work, this is the kind of machine that earns trust. Look at this massive cedar coming down. A tree like that has stood through decades of storms, seasons, and forest change. Now its journey continues, not as a standing giant, but as timber with a new purpose. From nature's raw strength to human craftsmanship, the legacy keeps moving. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. In the hard race of forestry machinery, the John Deere 1270G with the H425 head does not just compete, it dominates. With aggressive cutting, accurate measuring, and non-stop feeding power, this machine turns dense logs into clean, sorted timber in seconds. Mechanical muscle meets intelligent control. The denoiser stump drill tears through large stumps with precision pressure and pure torque. No oversized machine needed. The pilot bit drives deep while reversible blades shave the stump flat. Overlapping cuts mean complete removal with no root mass left behind. This is next-level land clearing built for serious work.
This is next-level land clearing, engineered to dominate.
What a day for this logger, facing snow, cold, and difficult ground just to bring down a massive oak. That is not just hard work. That is dedication, patience, and grit under real forestry conditions. It is refreshing to see a stump grinder that does not need a full-time mechanic standing beside it. A-Tech comes in, does the job, and does not bury the operator in service costs. Simple engineering, done properly. When you need power, flexibility, and ease of operation in one machine, the GalaTrack 400 with flexible equipment and biomass harvester setup is a strong solution. It handles difficult terrain, harsh environments, and biomass collection with impressive efficiency. This is modern green clearing with serious output. Watch this forestry mulcher tear through dense vegetation with ease. Its massive power breaks down heavy wood, thick brush, and large logs into fine mulch within seconds. Fast clearing, high efficiency, and less waste. This machine makes tough land management look controlled. For a machine that rolled out decades ago, the OC4 still holds its ground. Compact, reliable, and tough, it digs into stubborn eucalyptus roots and makes them rethink their place in the soil. Old iron still has a job to do. Forget old-school milling. The LT70 is a production machine. Full hydraulic loading, turning, and clamping move heavy pine logs with ease. Joystick control gives the operator a smoother shift, while the log gets the hard part. Efficient, controlled, and built for serious timber processing. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. The wood cracker is not just a cutter, it is a precision tool for the forest floor. When clean ground matters and rootstock needs to be cut without leaving jagged waste behind, this is the attachment that gets called in. A Home Depot stump grinder may not be the most intimidating machine on the job site, but it can still work. A stubborn stump was handled in about 45 minutes, and while every tree species is different, this grinder powered through better than expected. Sometimes small equipment does enough. The CAT 235 with a custom Sunrise stump splitter does more than dig. It reclaims buried wood and turns massive roots into usable biomass material. Big roots, brutal torque, and controlled excavation come together in one green energy workflow. Sometimes old-school methods are the most satisfying. When a burr oak refuses to move, creativity and leverage can still win. It may not be the fastest way, but with smart setup and steady force, even a stubborn giant can be moved. Meet the Awi RT800, an unstoppable force in forestry mulching. With a massive 800 horsepower engine and a 20-ton frame, this machine tears through dense vegetation and large stumps with ease. Its M900 cutting head spins at 1,000 revolutions per minute, powered by an advanced hydraulic system that keeps control sharp across rough terrain. This is not just a mulcher, it is a ground-clearing force. The Denisimov DAH050125D does not care whether it meets brush, saplings, or 10-inch hardwood. If it stands in the way, it gets chipped down in one clean pass. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day.